Yeah, she was in this bitch playing, man. I busted in that shit.
My teeth came out.
I let you die ass right quick.
Hurry up. Y'all better hurry up and come in. I'm trying to show y'all that my teeth came out.
I headbutted her. Oh, you lost it too? Say cheese, nigga. Say cheese.
Y'all got your recorders on?
5, 4, 3, 2,
Y'all got your recorders. Move!
Little balded. Little balded with my recent big man so I can be ballsy.
I showed y'all.
How many recent? Little recent mo.
Here go my teeth.
Little recent mo. You got a mouth like Pookie.
Nah, Pookie for real. Get somebody else to do it. Here go my teeth. I told y'all it was fake. Y'all thought I was lying. It's got a screw on it. When I get to 2,000, if I get 2,000 viewers in here, then I'm going to show y'all.
You can't be scared. Blue mouth old lady.
2,000 viewers, bitch.
Blue lady ain't scared. You can't be scared. Embrace your snag.
Well, shut your stupid looking ass up.
Embrace your snaggy snag. My little snaggy waggy. Let me put my finger in there. My little snaggy waggy. Oh, little snaggy waggy. I still like you little ball mouth ass.
Son, chill out, son. Stupid looking ass.
Let me lick it like that. Let me put my tongue on it.
Wendy lost Wendy lost her teeth.
She was playing with Burger King. He snuck her.
Only got 681, baby. Y'all not tapping the screen.
Skinhead, yeah.
Tap that screen so they can come in, cause I won't show 2,000 people.
I can put this on the shirt. My daughter's first art. We can put this on the shirt. So you got the G right there. You got the M right here. You see it? They got the N right there. And they got an O right here. Wow. You got a heart right here.
I got a bigger gap. I need 2,000 people for y'all to see this. It's an implant. I told you it was an implant.
It's be a portrait for real, Terry. Like, you can see different things in here. And that's what portrait's for. You for just be able to see different things in the portrait. Tell me what you see.
Look like a...
You see a heart right there?
Yeah, I do.
I see an M right here. That's fire. Then be like, which way do you hold it?
Once I get 2,000 people in here, I'm going to smile. I've been having this one in for 10 years. So, yeah, mine came out after 10 years. It don't come out like that, but I ain't never going to make some decisions. So, hopefully when I make it rich, bitch, I get it fixed.
This what they call the Candace?
Tell then who I'm about to put that bitch right back fucking in, bitch. Watch.
This what they call the Candace?
This portrait?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta Google that, baby.
My daughter already done this. This portrait.
It's not giving, bitch. Who wanted to give? You think I give a fuck, bitch? What is giving? Is giving snag or two, bitch. Is giving me all I want for Christmas is my run front suit. Whole Christmas already passed, though, bitch. Why in your business? You talk to me. You want to talk to the people? I'm not talking to the people.
I just want to ask the people: is this portrait? Is this art? Like this could be art. Like my little girl done this.
Let's go tap the screen if y'all want to see me. My teeth gone.
I don't put this in the front.
Rock want to know, is it art, is it poetry? It look like art to me. Yes, it is. I used to do stuff like this when I was...
You didn't do nothing like this.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Not the little throw,
yeah, you didn't do nothing like this.
But that's art. It is. You're not even reading your comments. I'm not reading them because I'm snagging too.
Art.
Uh-uh. 810. 810.
This really tight though, son. Like people are watch this. People are coming to the museum to look at this. And they stand there and be trying to figure out what they see in there.
Screenshot that and send it to your mom.
Are you sure that's teeth? I mean that missing teeth?
Send it to your mom because I look like her.
Somebody put
Bitch, I don't care. Go and put it back in.
Stupid mom out here. I told you it was giving Christine. Le Bull face.
It's giving ball mouth. Ball mouth.
Watch that teeth fly.
Snaggletooth hole. Ball. Snaggletooth hole. Missing tooth, bitch. Ball mouth. Ball mouth. Snaggletooth hole. All I want for Christmas is my one front tooth. My bad, I'm about to go to I'm about to go to the dentist. My wig be beautiful. Girl, shut your ugly ball mouth ass up. Duck face hole. How much for a tooth? I don't know. Can you buy me one? Can you put me on your insurance? What's wrong with y'all? Why y'all messing with me? Because my tooth came out. I don't care. Bitch, I'm about to go put it back in. Think about give a fuck. Think I give a fuck.
Christina Rock.
Bitch, I don't care. You can tell. Go replay this, bitch. I'm going to post it on YouTube. Ugly old thing I give a fuck. Woo! Rock knocked it out, bitch. She slapped him with that meat pistol and knocked my fucking feet out.
Bullshit.
Now I'm over here toothless because that meat pistol didn't knock my feet out.
Oh, that's the dragon name, Toothless. That could be your nickname.
Toothless like Rufus. She's toothless. She's toothless. Knocked it out with that meat pistol. Tag me in if you record this hole. Because I don't give a fuck. They gonna talk, let them talk. I'm about to go put my tea back in, bitch.
I bet you can't eat that cookie.
No, I can't eat that cookie right now. Bitch, I can't even pronounce my words right because my teeth is gone.
I bet you can't do this. Black, I bet you can't do this.
That meat pistol knocked it out. I'm about to go put it back in, though. I ain't worried about it.
Oh, you can't do this?
He's like, okay, I don't. What happened to my tooth when I was like, I told y'all when I was like 19, I think, 18, just before I met Rock. And then I had passed out and my teeth had cracked, girl, and it had a little cavity. It had a cavity right here, look. You see right here? I'm glad it fell out. It had a known blown cavity right here, like you could see it. It was like the sun was beaming right there.
Right.
Like, bing, bing. As soon as I opened it, it was like a... So it had cracked, girl. I passed out, boom. And it cracked, and then I had to get a portion. It is what it is. Simone, when I get some money, I'm going to give me some date truth.
Listen to you.
Oh, you ripping?
Oh, no, I was singing Michael
Oh, you
Jackson.
ripping?
Man, Michael Jackson said in the song, man. He said,
Oh.
skinhead, deadhead.
Missing tooth, redhead. That's what you just said. Skin dead, mad dead, missing tooth, the redhead. Girl, you gonna suck out like a rat. Fuck wrong with her. They mad like I killed, girl. I don't care. It's not my fault. I can't help
Let me
it.
kiss your boo-boo. Come here. Oh.
Period, bitch. I can't help it. Period.
Period. Look like you got
I'm about to get him. He the one knocked it out.
Ray, did you know?
Yes, you did.
Ray, your mama toothless from the Dragon movie.
It what?
What, a crawfish?
Yeah, all day. It was a crawfish.
All right, I'm gonna call y'all back because I'm about to go put my teeth back in and come back, y'all. My teeth gonna be back in. Oh, I got 1.1K, y'all. My teeth out and ill.
How you even know that, bro?
Barry.
Exactly, that's the point. How do that?
No what?
You toothless?
Cause you knocked it out.
No, I'm talking about the little dragon from the movie.
How he knocked it out? He had slapped me with that meat pistol. It was already loose. It was already loose, but and it had knocked out.
Nigga said, this is too redhead.
But I'm gonna put it back in. I don't care. I'm gonna put it back in. The other one, no, this one was an implant. The other one is like, my real teeth, born, natural teeth. This one was a fake one. Period out, period up. Don't worry about it. When I put it back in, y'all ain't gonna know. Look. It's stuck in like right there. No, it's stuck in because I don't got no teeth right there.
Yeah, I hate your ear.
What I can do about that? I just go put it back in. That's what I'm going to put it back in. The fuck? I can't even say the fuck right. The fuck?
Shit.
The fuck? That's why I say these bitches won't fight, bitch. I'm pulling out my teeth, bitch. Fuck won't you? You think you about to get one in? Bitch, you not. Bitch, I'm pulling out my teeth, ho. She won't fight.
Come on, man, go get that two that old bum off ass.
I'm about to go put it back in, y'all.
Come on, tell her that here.
Why you keep calling me bald, man? I'm about to go put it back in because you keep saying that.
Snaggy. You my little snaggy.
I fell off the bike and knocked my teeth out. God damn. I'm about to put it back in, though. Put it in on live. Why you all in my business? You all in my business. Hey, so ain't no bitch gonna fuck with me. Fuck with me. I can't even say fuck with me right. It ain't no bitch gonna fuck with me. Ain't no bitch gonna fuck with me. Tag me in if you screen record it. Any of this. Bitch, y'all be coming for me under the motherfucking lies, bitch. Tag me in because I'm reposting that shit. Y'all be coming for fucking me, bitch. And you see me in the street, bitch, and you feeling froggy, bitch, but you ain't gonna fucking leap. And I'm gonna take out my teeth, bitch. Blend you. Okay? So tag me in.
Yeah, she did.
Per, I don't give a fuck, bitch. When I make it, bitch, and start getting this quack hole, I probably still leave that bitch out, because I don't give a fuck, ho. Just got knocked out. My old man knocked it out, bitch. Tell me what that means, pistol, bitch. And then who came out, because it already was loose as a bitch. Period. And I'm still a bitch.
You got an implant.
That what, who? Mr. T and all. Now, I'm about to get off. Make sure you tag me in, because I know you hoes like the screen record. But you know me, I don't give zero. Oh, no, bitch, give zero fuck, zero fuck, zero fuck. Oh, bitch, give zero fuck, zero fuck, zero fuck. Zero fucks to give, zero fucks to give. You bitch, I'm real to chill, because I got zero fucks to give. Zero fucks to give. You bitch, I'm real to chill. What?
Last day put an open face goal right there.
It's still gonna come out.
It's still gonna come out.
Yeah. And he goes, come on, let's go to the store.
Oh, it's still weak.
Period. Zero fucks to give. Bitch, better to chill. Now I'm about to put that bitch back in though. I'm about to put it back. I'm not putting it back in with y'all though. I just want y'all to see. Bitch, you still gonna be a baddie. Missing teeth and all. I'll move your body like a snake mile. Move your body like a snake mile. Move your body like a baddie. Let me go, y'all. I just can't show y'all that my TA came out because y'all thought it was lying. And I want y'all to let y'all know that I be looking like Martin. For real. That go to the living room. Don't mind me, please. Please, sis girl. Me pistol ASMR. Go ahead, I want right now. I just had one. That's how my tea came out. I had a me pistol ASMR. And my tea came out, bitch. Forgive me. Forgive me. She got a snack or two. She got a missing tooth. All she wants for Christmas is one run too. She got a missing tooth. Now these hoes gonna try to punch me in my mouth. Bitch, you ain't gonna get to my mouth, ho. I'm gonna walk you like a dog, ho. That part, bitch. Mr. T, they all still talking, bitch. Yeah, because I'm that bitch. Because I talk like I can back myself up. Fuck, bitch. I can't even say fuck, bitch. I can't even say it right. Fuck. Back myself up. My bad, because I'm just... What am I looking for right now? What am I looking for? It's so big because I got a gap. Don't think it's so big because that's what it is. The T not that big, so I have a gap. So that's why it's more spacious. It's the more spacious. Y'all probably wondering like, why is this so big old? It's the more spacious, baby, because I have a gap and a missing tooth. So that's two things combined right now. Don't let it bother you though, because this is me and my tooth. I had a me pistol ASMR. My teeth came out because it was loose as a goose. Okay? And I've been having this like 10 years. I had used my sister on. What, bitch? You say shut up? No, my sister had died. That passed. I had used her insurance, bitch. The fuck? Like when she was 18, bitch, and my mama came up and act like it was me because I didn't have no insurance. It was really, my sister, but I used her insurance. So yeah, that's how bitch, I ain't got no insurance like that. Once I start making this money, if y'all follow me on YouTube, bitch, and I become a YouTuber, bitch, period, start getting them checks, period, bitch, I'm gonna get it fixed. And if y'all did, bitch, I'm gonna cement it back in myself. It's just a regular hoe. Fuck wrong with these hoes. Bitch, you think I worry? I'm not. I'm gonna be that same bitch with all these hoes gone. Understand me, Miss Ma'am? That's the difference between me and you. You give us a fuck and I don't. I'm about to put the seat right back in, bitch. It's gonna be a brighter day, brighter day, brighter day, brighter day. So can you follow me on YouTube, please, so you can help me get my teeth fixed? You probably ain't got the money, but you can go follow me on YouTube and you can like watch a few videos. That'll help if you won't help me in some kind of way. Walking like a dog, you walk. Walking like a dog, you walk. Walking like a dog, you walk. Walking like a walking like a dog, walk. Follow my YouTube, please. Subscribe to my YouTube. I'm just trying to get 4,000 watches so I can get my teeth fixed, please. And if you tag me in, any video that you tag me in, please. Because I'm trying to, like, I need the whole 9 yards. So, like, I just don't want to go. Don't think I got money because I don't, bitch. Broke. And yeah, so tag me in if you do a screen record or anything. And when you tag me in, can you please put follow on YouTube? Can you please put follow on YouTube? Because she's trying to get her teeth fixed. Let them know. Yeah, and because I need like 4,000. It's hard for me to say when my teeth go. 4,000 watches. I need like 4,000 watches. People to view, like watch. So like when you go on there and you subscribe, you can like watch for like 20 minutes or whatever, And then this one gonna be on there. So if you want to see like, how you zoom it up to see how the teeth look in the inside, you can do that on YouTube. Like, I don't care about the none of that shit. I'm not worried about no comments. I'm not worried about the cat ate the dog and the dog fell out the leech, bitch. The hole was closed and, bitch, the green grass grows, bitch. Bitch, give me the 4,000 watches. Oh, it's up. It's stuck, bitch. Your favorite YouTuber. Uncut and raw. Missing teeth. Bottom out and all. Please subscribe to me. My bad, my suit. Finally came out. Look up. My cousins know. Still a baddie. Period. That's what I try to tell these hoes. These teeth don't make me. What are you doing here? I'm on here trying to sell this wig for $254. $54. $54. $54. $54. $254. $254. $54. Trying to get these hoes to subscribe to my YouTube. 21 Franklin members, my YouTube channel. So I can be a YouTuber trying to get my teeth fixed. I need like 4,000 watches on YouTube. Trying to get my teeth fixed. Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? If you record this, can you put in your description box or your motherfucking link or under it or whatever? Can you subscribe to my cousin YouTube? If you can't pay for her to get her teeth fixed, just subscribe to her YouTube channel and that would help her out just a little bit. And if you could watch for a second or a couple of seconds, then that would help her get her teeth fixed. She's trying to become a fucking YouTuber. She's trying to, yeah. Her teeth is going in. She don't give a fuck. Please add me when you speak about me. Please tag me or when you speak about me. You're fucking baddie because you always like to talk but don't like to act because you know you get back if you add a bitch like me. Yeah. Let's go. Oh. But anywho, just add me in it. Tag me in it, because I like to see what you girls got to say. And I like to see what y'all little, people come under there and say. They be trying to eat, as y'all say, but bitch, I lost the teeth. So, I ain't worried about that bitch. So I'm about to go put my teeth back in. Get some of my shit. The wig, $254. $254. I'm about to let y'all go. Can I buy a shirt? Yes, baby doll. I need to say, can somebody... You can screenshot it with my teeth out. And so we could get a... I'm going to put it back in, so y'all better get all the pictures y'all can get. Because it ain't going to come out till another probably year. Or maybe I'm going to have some money by then to get it fixed all the way, the right way. Right now, I can't get it fixed the right way, so bitch, I don't care. I'm going to do it the wrong way, bitch. I don't give a fuck about these hoes, bitch. Not even. Me, I'm from my mama pussy hole. My teeth just came out today. I'm going to go put it back in, though. I got this right there. Sell it too. Oh, Lord. I can't sell it too, baby. You want me to walk around looking like this? I gotta wait for my older days. Baby. I can't be walking around looking like this. I know I got a man and I'm a baddie already, but I'm gonna be beating these hoes up left and right because they gonna be staring, bitch. And then you know me, I like to spit out my gap. That's too big for me to spit out, bitch. Bitch. Girl, I'm dead, bitch. You had me in jail from beating these hoes up. Thank you. All right, y'all, let me go. I'm about to go put my feet back in for real. And go to the store and get me a cool drink. Forgive me, y'all. Just wanted y'all to see that my teeth was out for real. Y'all, some of y'all didn't believe me. Some of y'all didn't believe me, and I wanted y'all to know that my teeth really is, like, fake. So if you want to fight me when you out, just, like, leap a little bit, bitch, and I'm going to pull out my teeth, bitch. Because I don't want you to think you knocked it out. So this video is so if I ever get into a fight, they already know that my front Rufus is already out like Rufus. So, like, bitch, don't ever try to come with me thinking you knocked my teeth out because you not. That's a no-no. Now, if you knock the other big thumb blunt out, then okay. But that's not going to happen because you're not going to get nowhere near my face. Okay? Because I know my teeth fake. That's why I don't let a bitch get to my face because this can happen, bitch. I could be like this after the fight and then you think you're going to... you got some points. No, bitch, you don't have no points. That teeth been fake, ho. Since I was 18, bitch, stop fucking playing with me, ho. Okay? I ain't worried about no fucking teeth being missed, bitch. Bitch, I just had a whole meet of ASMR, ho. Happy. Bitch, just think I care. Bitch, I'm about to go tighten that whole back up. How about it? Like I give a fuck, ho. Bitch, screenshot that fat man. Talk that shit, bitch. You always got something to say like I give a fuck, bitch. I don't care about none of you hoes. They always got something to say. Sneak this and girls, I got the crack of my ass from the back, bitch. I put my hands where the fuck my toes be, bitch. Spray my fucking booty cheeks, bitch. Insert the straw. Okay, let me go. Let me go put my teeth back in. I'm gonna go put my teeth back in. Okay. Hey, cousin. That was cousin, period. All right, y'all. I'm going to see y'all later. Thank y'all. Ooh, y'all was tapping this. So I guess I don't have to do that. Y'all ain't going to see me doing that for a long time. I ain't going to be doing that for a long time because my teeth about to be tight. I'm going to tighten it up. That was doing that because I was pushing it up, bitch. I was pushing my teeth up, who? Yes, bitch, I wasn't doing that to be cute like you girls be. Y'all think that's... like that's cute, bitch. No, I was pushing my teeth up. Wait, what happened, girl? When I was like 18, I think I had passed out, girl. And my teeth had a big old cavity on that, girl. So I was glad it fell out anyway, girl. Because I guess I was eating too much of candy or something. Something wasn't right, girl. But it fell out, girl. And then I had to get a portion. It's like 10, 15, 20 years old. So now I'm about to go put it back in. I don't care though. But you know how it just came out? Oh, you talking about what just happened? Oh, what just? It was already loose and it was already loose and I was at a meat pistol ASMR. A meat pistol ASMR just knocked it out. But it was fun though, so I'm not tripping. A meat pistol ASMR. Is that, did I say that right? ASMR. ASMR, yeah. ASMR. A what? A meat. Y'all don't know what that is? What you trying to see? I'm trying to be the truth. I'm trying to tell the truth. Thank you, baby. I had a meat pistol ASMR. That's how I lost my teeth. Just now I had that meat clapping me on my cheeks. And then he bit me to my feet. I had a meat pistol ASMR. I know you know what that is when you slap that meat on your cheek and slap it. Knocked out my teeth. I had a meat pistol. I had a meat pistol ASMR and knocked out my teeth. But it was still fun to me. I said it knocked out my teeth. No cap, I'm about to go put that bitch back in. Cause I got the fucking semen. I'm gonna put it back in. I didn't mean to say ASMR. Then I can't show y'all before I put it back in because I know some of y'all wanted to screen record me. And like this probably could get y'all views up. And it could get your followers up too. And it could give me a new screen record it. Take me in. Period. It get your views up because the most gonna want to know. Ha! I got my head blinders on. Tell them your cousin don't give a fuck. That's why I fuck with my cousin. I say she missing a tooth. Fussing all, and she don't give a fuck cause you can run up and she gon' fucking show y'all. She gon' walk you like a dog. Let's go, she gon' walk you like a dog too. Listen all, walk you like a dog too. Listen all. Yeah, just so tell them all your cousin don't care. That's why people really fuck with me cause they know I don't give a fuck. Got a fuck to give. Period. Love you, cousin. Well, I'm gonna put my teeth in because I'm feeling like Jerome in the house. Jerome in the house. Jerome in the house. Watch your mouth. I'm feeling like Jerome in the house. I'm feeling like Jerome. Trying to get Jerome money. So make sure you tag me in. Follow my YouTube. Subscribe to my channel because I just need 4,000 watches. And if you missed this video, hopefully I can post it on YouTube. And I got so much cussing in there. And yeah, y'all can follow me and share because I don't care. Purr. Still cute. Thank you. I'm going to put it back in. Okay, cousin. A baddie. I see her. Follow me on YouTube, y'all. Please. Watch your mouth. I say Jerome in the house. Bitch, watch your mouth. For real, bitch. You be looking like me by the mouth. Yeah, bitch. Only difference is I'm gonna knock yours out. Yeah, bitch. Jerome in the house. Bitch, watch your mouth. Period. So let her watch her mouth before she be looking like me by the mouth. The only difference is, bitch, is I'm gonna knock yours out. Period. Not fell out. And that's how mine get out. Ah! My bad. I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm boring, y'all. See, I should be at work somewhere. I'm gonna put my teeth back in soon. I just came over here to show you that my teeth was out for real. Here you go. I gotta make sure I put it in right and make my gap. You so ghetto, 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 ghetto. It doesn't matter what I am. I worry about me, you worry about you. If I'm the ghetto cousin, X me out. If you don't like ghetto, that's the zoo. You can block me cause I stay fucking live. Y'all think that be something? A compliment or someone y'all be saying somebody ghetto. No, bitch. Just say hello or don't say shit at fucking Aldo. Y'all get on my nerves when y'all be like, oh, you gotta, bitch, what you is? Who you watching me? Bitch. What you is? Y'all get on my nerves. Like, bitch, let me be ghetto. Bitch, I know what the fuck I am. I don't need you to tell me, no, what are you? Exactly. A clown asshole. When no life go, always got something to say. You live in pillar the post. You can't go ghost because you ain't got nowhere to stay. Get off that girl's sofa. That's not where you live. That's for company and decoration. I told you, boo, don't let nothing I do bother you. Bother you. But since you can't do that, that's a big old fact. This what I need you to do. Go wash your funky ass. Get a lot of cash in a straw so you could suck on my ass. Curse my pussy, 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 ho. Girl. Yes, from the side, bitch. You got it from the side, oh. You got it? Hope I skate holes when you go to sleep and wake up, bitch. See me in your sleep, oh. A big creep, oh. Because I'm going to get all my sleep, oh. I'm about to go to the store and get me a cold drink, though. ANC. Period, because then the hoes better find something safe to do. 21 Franklin members, that's when you go catch this video at. A brighter day, brighter day, brighter day, a brighter day. Period, when I put my teeth in, I'm having a brighter day. Girl, it's not my fault my teeth came out, bitch. That teeth been loose. Bitch, I just say that me pistol ASMR and that bitch came out, bitch. The fuck? I haven't me pistol ASMR in like 2 months, bitch, and I had once a day, bitch. And that bitch come out. Oh, well, I don't care. Bitch, I ain't rubbing no teeth, bitch. Take all these hoes. I'm shaking my head, bitch, and I'm shaking my ass. Fuck all these niggas. Y'all go ahead, y'all let me pistol ASMR. Y'all teeth not gonna come out because y'all's is real. The wig is $254. You watch the video. You watch the video on YouTube. So if you want to stream or something. So your views could go up, bitch. Because you know the most be nosy, bitch. They're going to be like, who that is? What's wrong with her? Why she on there like that? Why she did this and why she did it like that? Why she didn't? Then they going to see me in person and guess what they going to do? Oh, that's the cute wig. Oh, I remember when your teeth came out. Oh, you was still cute. Flip the fucking strip, bitch, as I know they would. As they know they should. Period. That part. So I would never know that you're a Maddie, baby. And so my baby daddy's baby mamas that's under there talking shit. Bitch, I take my teeth out for you, bitch, and whip you. Walk you like a dog. Yes, baby daddies, baby mamas that's talking shit, and the only way y'all can step to me is on the social media on the fake pages. Baby, let's be clear. All you hoes know. Yes, that I will take my teeth out and walk you like a dog. I'm gonna let y'all go though. Girl, they be on fake pages saying all type of stuff, girl, like I care. They would never say nothing into my face. They baby daddies already told them. Just don't fuck with that one. That bitch crazy. Don't fuck with that one. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all go. Alright, I'm gonna go put my teeth back on. Here you go. My little cracked up teeth. And that bitch even chipped. It chipped a little bit. I'm gonna get it fixed. This is gonna be my last year wearing this teeth. Cause I'm about to be so big, baby. Let me tell you something. Thank everybody that support me, baby. Genuinely, for real, from the bottom of y'all heart. Got big things coming. Thank y'all for the haters. Y'all, God gonna bless y'all. Y'all keep hating. Haters make me greater. Y'all, you heard me. God is good all the time. Missing teeth and all. Let me tell you something. Greater things is coming. Greater things is headed my way. Better things for me and my family came a long way. So if you hating on me, continue hating. You heard me? And if you down with your girl, till you rocking with your girl, because your girl is almost there. Believe me. You think I'll be on here with a T? Bitch, these hoes about to run this all the way up as they should. And these hoes about to run this up as they should. And I'm about to post it on YouTube because I know they about to watch it and talk. But I don't give a good goddamn. That's what I want them to do. Stop, boy. That's my me pistol slapper. He just knocked mama cups out. This the man that just knocked my teeth out. Me pistol slapper, throw ram up. Me pistol slapper, throw ram up. So bitch, you was how I was, Rob.
Stupid as fuck. I wish I would have knocked it out like that.
Show 'em what you did.
I wish I would have knocked it out.
How you did it? What the hell? Fuck wrong with you? Move, bro. For real, son. I'm about to go to the stove. It's cold.
Where you going?
Stove.
Where you going?
I'm about to put my tea in so we go to the stove.
You ain't going nowhere.
I'm about to go.
Girl, you ain't going nowhere.
Fuck you gonna tell me where I'm going?
Man, it's past your bedtime.
Boy, your hands off me.
You in for the night, love.
All right, y'all. Let me go. I'm about to go put my tea in so I can get a cold
You
drink.
like a motherfucker for the night. Drink some milk.
What I do?
Drink some milk, man. Where the fuck my Patron at? Oh.
Hey, Ron. Cousin say hey.
What was that?
I'm about to put my tea back and go get me a cold drink. Once I put it in, it's in, y'all. It's gonna be tight and everything. It's steaming it back in.
Y'all want to drink that Tony Tron?
No, baby doll.
Try the Tron.
No, baby doll. No, baby doll. All right, y'all. Love y'all. I gotta go. Y'all don't forget to tag me in.
You just see what it is?
Rock, take a picture with me. So they can tell y'all can tell them that the me pistol slapper knocked my teeth out.
That's confetti.
Rock. I'm trying to get a picture. Oh, why y'all tell me to take that out? Come on. Tag me in and like do like a collage.
The Tony Tron?
Do like a collage and put the me pistol slapper, then pat it out. I agree to all of it. I agree to it, bitch. That's about to run your views up, bitch.
Let's play spin the box.
Make sure you put fact for you page on now. Period. So they can come to my page and they can see. And they can go to my YouTube. Let's go. Me pistol slapper, throw rapper. Me pistol slapper, throw rapper. Ooh, you think they had to run down my fucking head like that? Stupid looking ass.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.